I'm cutting my hair. Okay, you might just want me looking this way. That's because I've got a mirror there. Which I wasn't maybe out of breath saying that. I've got a mirror there though. So I'm going to try and use this. But that's what I need as well. I forgot I cut my hair for a minute then, that's fine. One second. Okay. Where am I? So, I do everything myself with my hair, which is why it looks shocking right now. It's got leftover conditioner in it, so you know what? That's probably the easiest I've ever brushed my hair. Should I go fringe? No. I know it's not the straightest. It is straight enough though. So this is how I cut my hair. I split it down the middle, roughly. Well, not too rough, but no, it's a little bit there at the front. That's fine, 'cause to be honest, this front bit doesn't matter too much because I'm going to cut them shorter like I normally do. Now, then you brush it down. It's very coppery right now. And I'm about to look the ugliest anyone has ever seen me. So you need 4 hairbands. If you haven't got 4 hairbands that are the exact same, make sure at least you've got 2 sets that are the exact same. So these are the exact same and these are the exact same. That makes a difference. Then make sure there's no bumps. Am I talking too softly every now and then? I think I am, I'm not sure. You want it tight but not too tight. Attractive, I know. The same. Could be the one time it goes awfully, but at least I have it on record. So you basically make yourself look like a milkmaid. I don't know why I'm thinking milkmaid, but I feel like this is what milkmaid sometimes looks like. And you want it so, pay attention to where your jaw is, because that's where I go to. So you put it taut, and you just sort of I look disgusting. That's okay. So you got that bit sorted. Give it another brush. Double check with flat. We are flat. You can go in with bands number 2. Just like that. They don't need to start at the exact same position as long as they end in the exact same position. So now I'm looking better. I don't know why I'm like tutorial on this. I'm not, I'm just like explaining what I'm doing. Please don't follow this. Please don't listen to me. I clearly don't know what I'm doing. So are we feeling that short? See, this is where I always struggle. Deciding how I look like I'm on like a hanger. I feel like, so one thing I do know about myself is that I suit, I also know the wonky is fine. I suit long hair and I suit short hair. Long hair I keep tying up, and I was going to really grow it out, so I might take them a little bit longer. So see, I feel like that's a lot fresher. Is it very dead right? It's not even that dead. I don't know. Professional will probably tell me it is. It's been a lot deader though. When I come really close, I keep going like this, and I have no eyebrows, and it's really attractive. Oh yeah, there. Not too drastic. Not too drastic. Drastic? Is that the correct word? That's how you want them. You don't want them flopping too much. So they are. I'm gonna look back on this bit. Oh my god, they're so not even. They're even enough. Yeah, I do. And then you grab your pretty scissors that match my hairbrush. I'm not that put together. This hairbrush was bought for me and these are my mum's, so. Are they going to be that sharp though? Oh yeah, they're sharp. Okay. Yeah, I'll go there. That's literally it. I don't put too much thought into it. And then she looks stunning. Not too much. Normally I do more. Oh, it feels good. So if it's long enough, I'll just feather it like this, but I don't actually think it's long enough to do that. I mean, I literally can't see what I'm doing. No, I can't do it that way. Okay. Cut. Looking great. Grand reveal. Oh, that's better. Better. Okay, so it's very dead. Very dead, very straight. It's not dead, it's very alive now. Also, so I'll show you the back. It looks awful, which is another reason why it's good to have a helping hand, because it's diagonal. There are better ways you can cut your hair, where you don't need help and you don't need someone to straighten it up for you, but this is where I've always done it. So you only need one friend or family member in your life to help you out. See, as soon as I can't fully pull it forward, that's when George comes in. I'm covered in hair. That's disgusting. These scissors are great though. So this is general length. I won't wear it like this, but I need to keep it like this while I sort it out a bit. And then the back, I'm sure looks beautiful and perfectly straight and feathered, because, you know, it will just naturally do that itself. I'm gonna go get George to fix it. Oh, okay. Back should be better. I'm sure I'll see when I look back on this. They might be awful. Then I just like the little flicky bits, you know? So it's a bit more. Hairdressers would die see me doing this. Okay, that bit needs to. I mean, I don't really wear it in its middle anyway. That'll do. I know it's wonky and funny, but so I think it makes me look older as well. Long hair makes me youthful. Short hair makes me, I don't know, I think it makes me look my age. But yeah, that's how I cut my hair. I've got a feeling that's actually like a decent video, as in like a short video, which I like. And I will sit here checking random bits of my hair, feathering them up. And also finding strays. I think that might be my only stray, to be honest. Okay, that's better. My hair normally falls like this somewhere. Naturally it just goes back to this position. Sometimes I wear it a bit more over like that. Yeah, it's quite shaggy. I probably could like do like a proper, I'm not myself, like go to a hairdresser and get it done like in a shaggy way, but I'm happy with this. I'm pissed. I literally just recorded this and my phone just doesn't keep not saving things. I know I'm low on storage, but like it's so stupid. It's just like, yeah, have fun recording, and then I record and talk and say shit, and then it just cuts it all out. It's fucking ridiculous. Anyway, that was my haircutting video. I'm gonna make this quick before my phone fucking cuts this out. That was my haircutting video. It's very short, very shit. It was like 3 AM when I recorded it, and it's currently midnight when I'm doing this part of it, so it's all good. As you can see, short hair. As you can also see, I did change the colour. I don't really know what colour to call it. It's purple, but like it's in certain lights. Some bits are like that here. These bits are more purple, and this is sort of like reddish, purpley. I don't really know. I've also got allergies right now, so I feel like I'm not my best, but it's fine. But yeah. I like my hair, it's fine, it is what it is. Can't decide whether I preferred it short or long right now. I'm very torn. What I do want to do is re-dye my hair. So I did actually record me dyeing my hair. Delete the footage, didn't I? I thought I'd uploaded it to OneDrive, then I wasn't sure, so I did leave it on like my phone. Then on OneDrive, I swear I saw it, and I was like, yeah, that's fine, and I'm pretty sure I changed it onto my computer. Can't find it anywhere on my computer. I looked through everything, looked on all my hard drives and everything, nothing. Went to check if it was still on my phone. Apparently I deleted it. So that is wonderful. Absolutely lovely. I hope you enjoyed it. Next time I dye my hair, I will try not to delete the footage, because that would be wonderful. Because it was long footage and it was actually quite entertaining, and I was talking and chatting and stuff. It was quite nice. I was like, oh, that'd be a nice video. No. So next time I won't fucking delete it. But that is that. And I'll see you in the next one. And my next one, I think, involves skating and basketball and stuff. I say basketball, I'm not very good and it lasts like 2 minutes. And skating, I'm very much learning. So look forward to that at some point. But I love you and thank you for making it to the end.